Hi friends, welcome back to Anira Trends. If you are watching for the first time, you can click on that subscribe button and click on that bell icon for future notifications. Here I am with again a Kalamkari Jhumka, but here the difference is the base. Here I am using like cone shape, that is conical shape base, and similar kind of scrap, Kalamkari material scrap, and here this base is a cap like bead cap that is used for torans and other decorative items, but here I am using this as my Jhumka base since I don't have any conical shape plastic Jhumka. Fine. And to do this, first I am loading my base to a stick or a crochet needle like this and apply glue on it and spread it evenly. This way. So you can just spread it thoroughly, and the next part is to simply stick the material here. So this way you can just stick it over the Jhumka. This way. Make sure that you are sticking it without any wrinkles or folds around. Now what I am going to do is I am just going to trim off the excess in the sides. Here I am going to trim off the excess and I am going to simply stick the material. Since here I am using cotton Kalamkari, actually this cotton won't soak the glue. If suppose you are using any other material like synthetic material, raw silk or any like kind of crepe, any silk, that will really soak the glue and won't give the neat finish. It will be clumsy only. So here I am sticking my another end of the Jhumka. So I am going to trim off the excess here. Make sure that you don't leave any single strand of thread even. Make it very neat. And here the trick is that your design should go with the nearby design. It means that the continuity should be there. So here what I am going to do is I am going to pull that left side material over the right material so that the blue color flower or leaf that merges together like a single design, so that our fold or our work won't visible outside. It will be like a continuous material, like what we did on in our previous Jhumka. Previous tutorial I have used plastic Jhumka, right? In that we don't stick on like this, we just have that continuous design. The similar way we can do this. The simple trick or the tip is to fold over until you get the exact match or continuity in the Jhumka, which means you can just even extend your material and stick on. Now stick your lower excess inside the Jhumka base this way. And the top also you can just trim off. In the Jhumka Kalamkari Jhumka already நான் வந்து போஸ்ட் பண்ணியிருந்தேன். அதில் என்னன்னா டிசைன் வந்து கண்டினியூஸாக இருக்கும். ஏன்னா அதில் வந்து நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி கட் பண்ணி ஒட்டல. ஸோ இதில் வந்துட்டு இந்த ப்ளூ கலர் லீஃப் வந்துட்டு ஒன்று மேலே ஒன்று வரும்போது உங்களுக்கு நம்ம அங்கே ஸ்டிக் பண்ணியிருக்க எந்த ஒரு இதுவுமே தெரியாது, ஒரு டிஃப்ரென்ஸே தெரியாது. இந்த இடத்துல ஒட்டியிருக்கோம் ஸ்டிக் பண்ணியிருக்கோங்கிற டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் தெரியாது. இட் வில் பி லைக் அ கண்டினியூஸ் டிசைன். ஸோ நீங்கள் வந்து உங்களோட ஜும்கா எந்த இடத்துல உங்கள் டிசைன் வந்து மேட்ச் ஆகுதோ அது வரைக்கும் நீங்கள் உங்களோட மெட்டீரியலை extend பண்ணி கொண்டு போய் stick பண்ணிரலாம். Again on the top also you can just trim it off and apply little glue. Normal plastic base மாதிரி இல்லாம இது வந்து கொஞ்சம் நல்ல grip-ஆவே இருக்கு. But நம்ம normal plastic that we use for silk thread that is not this much grip, which means that doesn't hold the fabric this well as this does. So here is the finished jhumka. You can just notice that there is no mark of sticking. It's very neat and perfect. Now I'm adding the earring findings so as to finish the jhumka. Here I don't have any small or exact bead cap for this. I have one, but that is little lengthier, that won't suit actually this stud or this jhumka. So here I am just adding my bead and finishing it off. If you have any bead cap matching to this shape, you can just use. But I have, but that was like a little bigger one, so I have didn't used here. So add your stud base or your normal hoop or anything to finish this earring. So here it's done. If you really like this idea, you can just give it a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more these kind of videos. You can just notice there is no much visible mark, the place where we stick to the material. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. சேனல் இப்போதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் வரீங்கன்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே, பெல் ஐக்கான் கிளிக் பண்ணி வச்சிட்டிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ் வரும். ஸோ டில் தென், டேக் கேர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், பை.